is your information about Essex ActivAte 2024-2025. Essex ActivAte Explained. Essex ActivAte is the name for the Government Council funded holiday programmes run by Active Essex. During school half terms and holidays, we work with a network of locally trusted organisations across the county to deliver free activity clubs. Our activity clubs support school-aged children ages 4 to 16 years who are eligible for benefit-based free school meals or from low-income working families, also a small number of other eligible groups. The name Essex ActivAte sums up the key elements of the programme: provision of activities and nutritious food for children and young people in Essex, aiming to support their physical, mental and social well-being through engagement in a wide variety of free activities. You can find out more about the programme by clicking the link here.
Essex ActivAte programmes explained. We have two types of holiday programme in which we deliver as part of being a provider. One of these is the holiday programmes, which is known as the Holiday Activity and Food, and that is funded by the Department of Education. And we also have our half-term programmes, which are funded by Essex County Council. Specifically in regards to holiday programmes for HAF, here are a reminder of some elements that consist of this programme. The Department of Education's Holiday Activity and Food Programme, HAF, programme runs during Easter, summer and winter holidays. The HAF programmes are mainly aimed at children who are eligible for benefit-based free school meals, and 85% of funded spaces must be allocated to these young people. 15% of funded places are allocated to children who do not qualify for free school meals. However, they would benefit from attending the club. This could be children in care, referrals from secondary services, and children at risk of harm. The half-term programmes are funded by Essex County Council. Half-term programmes run in February, May to June and October. Due to smaller half-terms running for a week only, clubs offer sessions for about 2 to 3 days on average. Therefore, spaces are limited and provided for those most in need. As the Essex ActivAte half-term programme is funded by Essex County Council, there will be no clubs running across Thurrock. 50% of funded spaces must be allocated to children on benefit-based free school meals and 50% for families on low income. To find out more about the eligibility of the programmes, please click here. HAF guidance. In order to share with you our guidance for the programme, please see the bullets below. So this includes receiving healthy and nutritious meals, maintaining a healthy level of physical activity, being happy, having fun and meeting new friends, developing a greater understanding of food, nutrition and other health-related matters, taking part in fun and engaging activities that support their development, feeling safe and secure and getting access to the right support services, and finally returning to school feeling engaged and ready to learn.
The HAF minimum offer. During the main holiday times, Easter, we would like our partners to run 8 days for at least 4 hours a day. During the summer, 5 weeks of 4 days for at least 4 hours a day, plus an additional day a week with a food focus. Winter 2024, 4 days for at least 4 hours a day. During the smaller half-term programmes, we expect our delivery partners to run for 3 days for at least 4 hours a day. So that's May and June, October and February 2025, 3 days for at least 4 hours a day. This is what we expect from the HAF delivery. Clubs should be inclusive to all children, not just those who receive place funded by the HAF programme. Clubs are encouraged to, but is not mandatory, to have a paid-for offer alongside the HAF programme. Clubs must provide at least 1 meal a day, ideally a hot meal, unless circumstances of delivery makes this difficult. For example, on a day trip or whilst on an outdoor activity. Clubs must deliver fun and enriching activities, including at least 60 minutes of physical activity, creative enrichment, experiences and free play. Clubs should increase the awareness of healthy lifestyles and eating, also positive behaviour, supporting families through resources, guidance and signposting. To read more about the guidelines set by government, you can check the government website by clicking the link here.
Free school meals. For your awareness, we'd just like to share with you the statistics of free school meals. In 2023, the number of children and young people on free school meals across Essex and Thurrock was 40,618. There has been an increase since then, and so now for 2024, the number of children and young people on free school meals across Essex and Thurrock is now 47,829. You can see that with this increase, it's been a total of 7,211. We want our programmes to reach as many children and young people on free school meals around the county as possible, to ensure they receive support through physical activity, enrichment sessions, food, education and a nutritious meal. How to apply for HAF 2024. Step 1, read the presentation and make yourself aware of the guidance on the government website prior to applying for funding. 2, attend one of many Q&A sessions taking place between the 6th to the 24th of November to ask any questions you may have. 3, apply for funding through Essex County Council's procurement website between 12 noon on Monday the 6th of November until 12 noon on Friday the 24th of November, and guidance instructions will be shared prior to anyone who has registered an interest. 4, you will be applying for the 3 main holidays and the 3 half-term breaks. You do not have to apply for all holidays individually. 5, procurement will score your application and then pass over to the Essex ActivAte team for a final review. The team will not have access to applications prior to the closing date. 6, each locality team member will contact you on the outcome of your application from Thursday the 14th of December.
Insurances and policies. In your application, it is mandatory for your organisation to upload the following documents. Please make sure they are up to date and easy to read and access. Procurement will not pass your application without these documents. Risk assessments. You will need a risk assessment for each venue you are looking to deliver in. Insurances. At a minimum, we require employee and public liability insurance. Contingency plan. To ensure continuous delivery if face-to-face clubs cannot be delivered. For example, you would be expected to deliver remote sessions and food delivery out to families. Safeguarding and operating procedures. A safeguarding policy must be submitted and in date. Make yourself aware of the Safe to Play guidance. All staff must be DBS checked and DBS numbers may be asked for. Please make sure they are available. Training and support. Active Essex believes that the people who advocate the importance of an active lifestyle, deliver physical activity, or are leaders in this space are our most important and precious resource. All of these people, both volunteers and professionals, need to be recognised, supported and developed so they can meet the changing needs of the audience and communities. Why is this important? We want to work with inclusive, people-centred, resilient and ambitious organisations who promote positive learning cultures, offering the workforce and participants a quality experience free from harm. We want to hear how you support and develop your staff and your ways of working to achieve this. I'll ask from you. If you are successful in being an Essex ActivAte deliverer in 2024, We will require all providers to complete a self-assessment survey with your team as a chance to reflect on the strengths and areas for improvement. Working alongside supporting people, we will assess the collective learning and development needs to ensure we can best support you and your colleagues over the year. Discover further training workshops with the Active Essex Foundation by clicking the link here.
Booking system and processes. For the holiday programme, HAF, for the Easter, summer and winter main holidays, HAF, delivery partners will be expected to use the WAND central booking system. New partners will be registered on confirmation of a successful application. This booking system is free to all HAF partners. Schools will release a unique voucher code to all eligible children on benefit-based free school meals, which will allow the parents to book through this system onto your clubs. All locality leads will have access to the WAND booking system in order to monitor bookings. For half-term programmes, during the smaller half-term breaks, the WAND booking system will not be used and you'll be expected to set up your own booking process. Your booking links will be advertised and promoted through the Essex ActivAte website. You are in charge of monitoring these bookings and promoting them as much as possible as well. Specialist clubs and support. We have 3 types of specialist clubs within HAF: SEND specialist clubs, mental wellbeing clubs and youth specialist support. For our SEND specialist clubs, we expect you to deliver the minimum offer in the guidance. However, there is flexibility around this if needed to adapt to your provision. Essex ActivAte work in partnership with the short breaks team to ensure there isn't a crossover with the funding and families are getting the support that they need. To support parents further, when booking on a SEND specialist club, we require you to show your SEND levels that your club accommodates. For mental wellbeing clubs, we expect you to deliver the minimum offer in the guidance. However, there is also some flexibility around this if your club needs to adapt their provision. Mental wellbeing clubs should be smaller groups and a higher ratio of staff to ensure children get the right level of support and feel comfortable within their surroundings. The clubs should allow parents or guardians to stay and support the child if needed. Also accommodate families if they want to come and go, allowing the children to get used to the club and integrate into the social setting at their own pace. For youth specialist support, we work with the Active Essex Foundation to increase and support new and existing organisations who are looking to deliver secondary age intervention holiday projects. Funding allows you to offer flexible and adaptable sessions to meet the needs of young people in the community who may be at risk and to prevent antisocial behaviour. Successful applicants will be either allocated into the main HAF provision or funded under the Active Essex Foundation.
2024-2025 themes. Each half-term and holiday programme, we have one or more focus/themes to educate young people on different topics to further their learning. Resources may be provided and we will inform you of any actions ahead of your delivery. These themes are also subject to change depending on the programme needs. Easter Holidays 2024. The themes will be oral health, Ride London Essex with a cycling focus. Summer Holidays 2024, Stay Well, Be Well with epilepsy training for partners, Pen Pals, Sun and Water Safety, Essex Libraries with the Summer Reading Challenge. Winter Holidays 2024. The themes will be warm spaces, festivities, family and Christmas experiences, food hampers. During the shorter half-term holidays, in May, the focus would be food focus and healthy eating with diabetes awareness. October half-term 2024, Halloween and autumn with season change, pollution, climate change with asthma awareness. And February half term 2025, Healthy Minds with Children's Mental Health Week. Core 20+5 is a national NHS England approach to support the reduction of health inequalities at both national and system level. The approach has now been adapted to apply to children and young people. Therefore, we have based some of our themes around this for 2024. You can find out more about this by clicking the link here. Marketing and communications. The Partner Hub will offer you guidance, resources and support, latest news and updates, logos, posters, social media, images and wording, newsletters, recordings and important documents. Social media support. Follow us on social media channels, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Our main form of digital communications with parents, organisations and communities is social media. Share all images and videos of your club and tag @Essex ActivAte as much as possible. Share our posts when bookings are going live, and this will help you fill your club spaces. Use #EssexActivate during smaller half-term holidays, as these holidays are Essex County Council funded. Use #HAF 2024 during Easter, summer and winter holidays, as this is Department of Education funding. The focus for marketing and communications for 2024 will be brand awareness campaign and targeted approach to reach as many children on benefit-based free school meals as possible, to explore new marketing methods, storytelling and blogs, our activity booklets, spring, summer and winter, #Move With Us campaign, the holiday activity and food celebration event, and the Essex Activity Awards.
Food education. Food is at the forefront of the holiday activity and food programme, and the Department of Education have put even greater importance on every child receiving a nutritious school standard meal at HAF clubs, helping to support families and reduce hunger poverty in young people. The Essex ActivAte programme aims to engage parents and children in food education at home to cook more healthy, nutritious meals through our recipes. Increase club engagement in food education by sharing stories, pictures and recipes. Provide seasonal recipes as well as offer Food Fridays in the summer holidays as a club focus. Ministry of Food training to be offered to all clubs, helping to support your food education offer. Data and evaluation. At the end of each half-term and holiday programme, it is crucial as part of your offer to fill out our parent and partner surveys. This gives us an insight and understanding of how children and parents clubs have been experienced. The data provided allows us to report back to the Department of Education, Essex County Council and local authorities and stakeholders. It also visually shows us through infographics and case studies, blogs and impact reporting tools. Surveys give us data such as total attendances, unique children engaged, benefit-based free school meal eligibility, primary, secondary ages, and more. Impact questions are also asked about well-being, how children benefit from our clubs, and what they enjoyed the most. Take a look at our summer infographics here.
Thank you for listening to this information. Please, if you have any questions, contact one of the HAF team with the contact email addresses listed here. Thank you.